In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize forms in Monday.com. Let's dive in and explore how you can seamlessly create and share forms using this powerful platform in just a few simple steps. First, let's begin by navigating to Monday.com. If you aren't already on the site, go ahead and open your preferred web browser and enter the URL. Next, you'll want to log into your account. On the top right corner, you'll find the Login button. Click on that, and you'll be prompted to sign in. One of the simplest ways to log in is by using your Google account, so go ahead and click on the Google icon. Select your desired Google account, and just like that, you're in. Now that you're logged in, you'll see the familiar Monday.com interface. Let's move forward. On the left panel, you'll notice various icons. Look for the plus icon, a small addition button that allows us to create something new. Go ahead and click it. This is where the magic begins as we explore the Forms feature, an incredibly versatile tool to gather information, feedback, or any form of input you need from your team or clients. After clicking the plus icon, you'll be presented with different options. What you want to do next is locate the Forms section. Sometimes this might be represented as a small arrow next to Forms. Click on that arrow to delve into the form creation process. In this space, you have the opportunity to start from scratch, but to keep things simple and efficient, let's proceed with a template. Click on Start with Template. This is a great starting point to inspire your design and streamline the process. You will now see a variety of form templates ready for browsing. Take your time to look through these options and select the one that best suits your needs. Once you've found your perfect match, click on Use Template. This action will load the template into your workspace and enable editing. This step is where you can truly personalize the form to fit your brand's identity and the specific information you want to collect. Once your template is ready, edit and design to your liking. You can change text fields, adjust the design elements, and set up any additional settings that align with your objectives. Customize it so that it captures all necessary details effortlessly and aligns perfectly with your team's workflow and aesthetic preferences. Finally, when you are satisfied and ready to gather responses, it's time to share your form. Simply take the link provided and distribute it to your intended respondents. You can email it or share it via any communications platform your team prefers. And there you have it, a fully functional, customized form ready to collect data, feedback, or insights, whatever the need may be. And that wraps up our quick and easy guide to using forms in Monday.com. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it empowers you to gather essential information efficiently using these customizable forms. Thank you for tuning in and see you in the next video.